Many people agree that fried foods are as unhealthy as they are delicious. However, air fryers can provide the same crispy results as deep fryers, without the guilt. This is because they circulate hot air to create fried-like results with minimal oil. As a result, air fryers have become incredibly popular in the past few years. And a large air fryer can make a plethora of healthy, crunchy food at once. In today's video we break down the top 5 best large-capacity air fryers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. We have the Philips Starfish Technology XL Air Fryer. This appliance is strictly a large-capacity air fryer. As a result, it has some specific advantages over multi-purpose fryers. Air fryers are basically fancy convection ovens. However, this one does the job better than most. It has a patented starfish design on the bottom to help circulate air more efficiently. The starfish design moves air with greater speed and precision than other air fryers on the market. Therefore, you are left with evenly cooked food every single time. The oven itself is 1750 watts and 120 volts. This air fryer has a unique drawer design. There is a 3.5 quart drawer that opens to reveal a food basket that can hold 2.65 pounds of food. This should be large enough to cook food for a family of 4. Both the drawer and basket are non-stick and dishwasher safe. The Philips XL Air Fryer has a digital touchscreen interface. It is easy to customize to your specific needs. For example, smart preset buttons memorize the settings for your favorite foods. This fryer comes with a recipe book and free app that includes 150 recipes. Certainly, you will have lots of inspiration if you get sick of your go-to foods. The temperature is adjustable up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and there is a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff. Moving on at number 4. We have the Cuisinart TOA 60 Convection Toaster Air Fryer. The Cuisinart TOA 60 is an 1800-watt oven with 7 different functions. This is a full-sized convection toaster oven that has a built-in air fryer and can be used as a kitchen workhorse. In other words, it is a great option for those with smaller kitchens. It takes up the same amount of space as a traditional toaster oven while being much more functional. This is a large air fryer oven. It has a capacity of 17.9 quarts, which is significantly larger than the other air fryers we have looked at so far. As a result, you can certainly prepare lots of food at once. This machine has definitely been designed with functionality in mind. For example, it comes with an oven rack, an air fryer basket, and a baking pan. The fryer basket can hold up to 3 pounds of food while the oven itself can fit a 12 inches pizza. The interior is non-stick for quick cleanup. In addition, it has a built-in crumb tray to help prevent accidental fires. The temperature on this appliance can be adjusted anywhere between 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a 60-minute timer and auto shutoff. Certainly, the toast shade selector will help you achieve the perfect level of crunch. At number 3, we have the Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodie pressure cooker also doubles as an air fryer. This compact appliance can be a slow cooker, oven, steamer, and dehydrator as well. Therefore, you can prepare practically any food your heart desires. This appliance features unique TenderCrisp technology, which lets you quickly pressure cook ingredients then use the crisping lid for a golden finish. This 1400-watt pressure cooker can prepare food up to 70% faster than traditional methods. For example, things can go from frozen to crispy in as little as 20 minutes. In addition, the air fryer setting uses 75% less oil than deep frying. The Ninja Foodie comes with 5 stovetop temperature settings. Furthermore, the oven function ranges in temperature from 250 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It also keeps food warm for up to 12 hours. Above all, this multi-purpose appliance is safe for users of all ages. It has a UL safety certification that requires passing 14 levels of testing. As a result, it is a great option for families with young children. This multi-purpose oven has been designed for practical uses. It is made of a 6.5 quart ceramic-coated pot that is non-stick and easy to clean. In addition, there is a 4-quart basket inside for air frying. It is large enough to hold 5 pounds of chicken or 3 pounds of French fries. Most importantly, it has the same non-stick ceramic coating as the pot. Finally, this unique appliance comes with 45 recipes to get your creative juices flowing. It includes many recipes for quick, easy one-pot meals. At number 2, we have the Gowise USA Electric Air Fryer Oven. The next air fryer on our list can serve many purposes in the kitchen. It has 15 built-in preset functions. But, you can also take over complete control with the manual time and temperature settings. The Gowise USA Air Fryer Oven Deluxe has a temperature range of 120 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, it can be used as a dehydrator, as well as an oven. A timer allows you to dehydrate for up to 8 hours or to cook for 1 hour. The dehydrator function is both versatile and practical. For example, you can make dried fruit and jerky. It also does an excellent job drying spices. Most importantly, this could be the best large air fryer for big families and groups. It has a 12.7 quart capacity with 3 rack levels. In addition, it comes with a built-in rotisserie to prepare whole roasts and chickens. 50 recipes are included with the air fryer to help you get started. There is also an online community to share tips and tricks. Above all, it includes 10 accessories for maximum versatility. This deluxe oven has a stainless steel interior and a removable, non-stick drip pan. As a result, it is just as easy to clean as it is to use. It is 120 volts and 1600 watts. And finally at number 1. We have the Cosori Air Fryer. https://amzn.to/3obexcom. This appliance can help you live a healthier life. For example, it can lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of heart disease. This air fryer can make fried foods with as little as 1 tablespoon of oil. This averages out to about 85% less oil than traditionally deep-fried dishes. Most importantly, this will reduce your caloric and trans fat intake without forcing you to compromise on taste. This air fryer comes with 30 recipes to help you get comfortable with your new toy. In addition, there is an online community to provide you with more inspiration. Cosori has definitely taken user convenience into consideration with this product. It features a 5.8 quart rectangular basket. As a result, you will have plenty of surface area to prepare food for up to 5 people. This air fryer is made of a matte material that will not show stains. It has a non-slip dial with clear tick marks to easily locate your desired setting. In addition, indicator lights make it clear when the fryer has reached temperature. The temperature can be adjusted in 10-degree increments between 180 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Above all, this air fryer is as safe as it is healthy. To clarify, it is ETL listed, BPA-free, and FDA compliant. It has auto shutoff protection. Furthermore, this fryer makes the cleanup as effortless as the cooking process. The removable, non-stick basket can be thrown into the dishwasher in a matter of seconds. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.